So pretty! Wow. It's so wide and open and amazingly beautiful. This makes everything right, like every suffering, like to have this and have to see this, so worth it. Like, I'm really impressed, like really, it's beautiful. So many times I wasn't moved by things that used to move me, and things that gave me joy didn't give me joy anymore, and I'm so fucking moved. I'm happy that I'm moved. I feel like it's still there.
I've been invited by Visit Norway to do a 2-week pilgrimage. At the starting point here in Oslo, I feel a bit nervous about the 643 kilometers long path to Trondheim.
I wonder what all these kilometers are going to bring me and what I'm going to feel with all it.
2 years ago, I got diagnosed with cancer.
It was very unclear if I would make it or not. I nearly died on the operating table. You have a very clear purpose when you get ill. Get through it. And you work and you fight and you fight and you fight and you get all these treatments that makes you more ill and makes you lose your hair and energy, and it was absolute hell. I think it's very good for me to walk, be in nature and be alone, but it really scares me too. Because I'm afraid to be alone with my thoughts, and it will be challenging for me physically because I'm not sure if I can walk every day for God knows how many kilometers.
I know I have to do a shortened version of the trip, but my goal is to walk as much as I can manage. I really want to challenge myself.
I don't know really what I want with my life at the moment. I've been working for this career in acting since I'm 14, basically.
Morning.
Fuck. Hi. And I don't know if I still want that. January 2018, I had my last chemo. It looks like I don't have cancer. But from that time, I feel like I've changed in the core. I doubt about if I'm able to be in a relationship. I doubt about where I want to live. I doubt about trusting my body. I doubt about having a future. I still feel like I've done somewhere in me is still a voice that says you don't have a future.
The upcoming days will be surprising in so many ways.
Giant blue ant.
The grand nature.
This is pretty different from the Netherlands. And pretty different is a huge understatement.
The friendly people.
Please come inside.
It's a local fish from Mountain Lake.
Wow.
The way of living.
How cool is it to be in a building that's 700 years old, under a blanket of sheep?
And most of all, how much this trip would change me.
I feel like I've been sort of shaken. Wake up! And this is me waking up.